Don't worry. فکر مکوه. Don't worry. It's not a big deal. دا څه غټه خبره نه ده. It's not a big deal. He is my neighbor. هغه زما ګاونډی دی. He is my neighbor. That's why I beat him. ځکه خو ما هغه ووهو. That's why I beat him. I will send you my photograph. زه به درته خپل تصویر درولېږم. I will send you my photograph. That's why I am going. ځکه خو زه ځم. That's why I am going. I am on leave for a month. زه د یوې میاشتې په چوټۍ یم. I am on leave for a month. That's why I am asking you. ځکه خو زه ستا نه تپوس کوم. That's why I am asking you. That's why I am saying this. ځکه خو زه دا ویم. That's why I am saying this. Take a little rest. لږ آرام وکړه. Take a little rest. I am learning this. زه دا زده کوم. I am learning this. Send some good books for me. ما لره څه ښه کتابونه راولېږه. Send some good books for me. I am not Dick and Harry. زه څه اخوا دیخوا کس نه یم. I am not Dick and Harry. He gave me this news. هغه مال دا خبر راکو. He gave me this news. Whose turn is it now? Was the چا نمبر دی. Whose turn is it now? Does it make any difference? آیا د دې سره څه فرق پریوزي؟ Does it make any difference? At least you could tell me. کم سے کم تا ما ته ویلی خو شو. At least you could tell me. How did you find Murray? تا ته مری څنګ ولګید. How did you find Murray? All my calculations went wrong. ټول حساب می ګډوډ شو. All my calculations went wrong. I was out of station. زه د اډې نه بهر وم. I was out of station. Is there anything special? آیا څه خاص خبره ده؟ Is there anything special? There is nothing special. هیڅ خاص خبره نه ده. There is nothing special. She couldn't hold her tears. هغې خپلې اوښکې منع نه کړې. She couldn't hold her tears. Don't take out your anger on me. خپله غوسه په ما مه وکاږه. Don't take out your anger on me. She couldn't hold laughing. هغې خپله خندا منع نه کړه. She couldn't hold laughing. I have a car. ما سره موټر دی. I have a car. Please speak slowly. مهرباني وکړه په قلاره وایه. Please speak slowly. He has a computer. هغه سره کمپیوټر دی. He has a computer. We are going to market. مونږ بازار ته روان یو. We are going to market. Avoid bad company. د خراب ټولګي نه ځان ساته. Avoid bad company. I am at my house. زه خپل کور یم. I am at my house. Forget it. دا هیر کا. Forget it. Why are you standing? ته ولې ولاړې؟ Why are you standing? He is unwell. د هغه طبیعت ښه نه دی. He is unwell. May I say something now? وز زه څه ووایم؟ May I say something now? I had an accident yesterday. پرون را باندې حادثه راغله. I had an accident yesterday. Today is holiday. نن چوټی ده. Today is holiday. Where does this road lead to? دا سړک چرته وتی. Where does this road lead to? You are timid. ته رندوکی. You are timid. You have given me a rupee extra. تا مال یو روپۍ سیوا را کړي. You have given me a rupee extra. What's there to cry? په دې کې د جړا څه خبره ده. What's there to cry? This cloth is of inferior quality. دا ټوکې خراب معیار والا دی. This cloth is of inferior quality. The phone is ringing. phone بجاویږي. The phone is ringing. The sky is overcast. په اسمان وریځې راغلي. The sky is overcast. You look younger than your age. ته د خپل عمر نه کم ښکارې. You look younger than your age. Switch on the machine. ماشین چالو کا. Switch on the machine. He looks older than his age. هغه د خپل عمر نه سیوا ښکاري. He looks older than his age. Don't take it to heart. دا په زړه مه اخله. Don't take it to heart. I am feeling sleepy. ما له خوب راځي. I am feeling sleepy. Operate the machine. ماشین چالو کا. Operate the machine. I am feeling appetite. زه وږی شوی یم. I am feeling appetite. See him up. هغه رخصت کا. See him up. I am feeling feverish. زما تبه ده. I am feeling feverish. Switch up the AC. AC بند کا. Switch up the AC. You should be ashamed of yourself. تاله په خپل ځان شرم پکار دی. You should be ashamed of yourself. Don't abuse him. هغه ته کنځل مه کوه. Don't abuse him. How is your study going on? پڑھائی دی څنګه روانه ده. How is your study going on? It's getting dark. تیاره کیږي. It's getting dark. What is going on in his mind? د هغه په دماغو کې څه روان دي. What's going on in his mind? It's morning. سحر شو. It's morning. Take up the shirt. کمیس وکاږه. Take up the shirt. د دې نور ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو لپاره دا چینل پی ای ایوریون سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نور چې کوم ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به په وخت خبرېږئ. تھینکس فار واچینګ.